Elon Musk boldly and confidently teased the release of the new Grok version, but were his claims well-founded? Let's analyze that a little bit. The Grok 3 launch event attracted massive attention, with the announcement video amassing 5 million views on X so far. Grok 3 has had a strong introduction, outperforming leading models such as Gemini 2, DeepSeek V3, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and even GPT-4o. According to XAI, Grok 3 excels in evaluations like AIME, American Invitational Mass Examination, and GPQA, Graduate Level Physics, Biology and Chemistry question answering. Even Grok 3 Mini, a smaller variant, has demonstrated impressive results, competing head-to-head with other industry-leading models. Grok 3 participated in the Chatbot Arena, a blind benchmarking test where users compare AI-generated responses without knowing the source model. The result? Grok 3 climbed to the top, surpassing competitors in instruction following, logical consistency, and response quality. An early version of Grok 3, codenamed Chocolate, achieved an ELO score of 1400, surpassing every competitor in coding, general reasoning, and factual accuracy. Grok 3 introduces two major reasoning models, Grok 3 Reasoning and Grok 3 Mini Reasoning. These models are designed to carefully analyze questions before generating answers, reducing hallucinations and improving logical consistency. Notably, Grok 3 Reasoning outperformed OpenAI's O3 Mini High on the AIME 2025 benchmark. Additionally, Grok 3 incorporates self-correction mechanisms and reinforcement learning, allowing it to refine responses over time. Human feedback loops and contextual training further enhance its accuracy, making it a more reliable AI assistant. One of Grok 3's standout features is Big Brain, which allows the AI to spend more time analyzing queries, leading to more detailed and well-researched responses. This helps in complex problem-solving, especially in coding and scientific reasoning. Grok 3 is also XAI's first chain-of-thought model, meaning it explains its reasoning before providing an answer. This improves transparency, reduces hallucinations, and adds safeguards against misinformation and bias. Musk revealed that Grok 3 was trained using XAI's Colossus Supercomputer, featuring 200,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs, which doubled in size in just 92 days. This infrastructure provided 200 million GPU hours of training, making it one of the most powerful AI training clusters globally. Beyond sheer computing power, XAI has incorporated synthetic datasets and a massive training dataset, including legal filings, to improve its ability to analyze and generate legal arguments. Additionally, XAI is negotiating a $5 billion deal with Dell for AI servers equipped with Nvidia GB200 semiconductors, further scaling its computational capabilities. Grok 3 comes with an AI-powered deep search feature, which enhances search results by understanding context and user intent beyond simple keywords, verifying sources for reliability and factual accuracy, generating concise research-based summaries. The Premium Plus tier has now been raised to $40 per month, and Premium Plus subscribers will get first access to Grok 3. However, it was recently announced that it can be tried for free for a limited time at x.com/i/grok. Additional advanced features such as extra reasoning, deep search queries, and unlimited AI-generated images are available separately under a Super Grok subscription, which is priced at $30 per month or per $300 per year based on leaked info. Chatbot is available via the Grok app and grok.com, with the web version receiving the most frequent updates. In line with XAI's open source philosophy, Grok 2 will be open source once Grok 3 reaches maturity. Additionally, Musk confirmed that a voice interaction feature will be introduced soon, allowing users to converse naturally with Grok 3. While voice mode was initially planned for the launch, Musk stated that it needed more refinement and will roll out in about a week. Musk also announced that the Grok 3 API, including reasoning models and deep search, will launch in the coming weeks. Interestingly, Musk hinted that Grok 3 could eventually be integrated into SpaceX missions, with plans to pair it with Optimus robots for potential Mars operations. While this remains speculative, it highlights Musk's broader AI vision beyond Earth. Grok 3 has set impressive results on AI benchmarks, but can it surpass OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic in the long run? While XAI has made rapid advancements, the next challenge will be maintaining this momentum and proving Grok 3's dominance in real-world applications. Early impressions of Grok 3 among experts and users have been mostly positive. Lex Friedman and Andrei Karpathy have praised its reasoning depth and advanced interface, though some users note challenges with abstract questions. Amjad Masad, CEO of Replit, calls it a state-of-the-art frontier model. Andrei Karpathy's analysis seems the most balanced. In his opinion, Grok 3 is a serious contender, flexing state-of-the-art thinking with tasks like building a Settlers of Catan board and correctly estimating GPT-3's training flaps, something even GPT-4o failed. Unlike most models that surrender instantly, it actually attempted the Riemann hypothesis, didn't solve it, but at least it tried. DeepSearch handles trending topics well, but hallucinates URLs and confidently delivers wrong facts. And its SVG Pelican on a bike was worse than Claude's. But for a model built in just a year, it's already rivaling OpenAI's O1 Pro and leaving DeepSeek R1 behind. Musk calls Grok 3 the most truth-seeking AI, but Andrei Karpathy noted it avoids complex ethical questions, even refusing to weigh in on a life-or-death scenario. Theo from the T3.gg YouTube channel wrote Grok 3 is not great at coding, and showed that it failed to solve the bouncing ball in a hexagon problem, although this zero-tolerance evaluation approach might be too strict. In my opinion, it's an impressive accomplishment that, despite starting chatbot development later than competitors and with a smaller team, they managed to enter the state-of-the-art league within this time frame. What do you think? Will Grok 3 overtake GPT-4o, or is XAI still playing catch-up?
Must flex and say Grok's the GOAT. Running through the ranks, yeah, taking the throne. Crushed the benchmarks, left them all shook. Outscoring GPT, Claude and the Rook. Big brain mode, yeah, it's built for the math. Yeah, in top scorer, check the data, do the math. Colossus trained, 200K strong, GP